Alright, you guys, it's 25 days of Christmas, day 10. I want to see what's in box 11. That bitch big. But day 10. Day 10. Let's see what they got me today. I'm going to make that same silly face. Ah! Like I do every time.
It looks like a bug.
Ew, what's it? Oh! Look, y'all. I got an Apple Watch holder stand, mother jigger digger. Oh, hell yes. I'm going to be using the shit out of this. I'm going to set this bitch up tonight. It is a door watch collection for Apple Watch 42 millimeter. I don't have 42 millimeter, but we're going to work it out.
You still charge it, right?
Yeah, it should. Oh, it comes with a metal watch. I got a watch band. I got a metal watch band, a tempered glass screen cover, a charger stand. Yeah, it's not gonna work for a 42 millimeter.
The charger will work.
The screen protector won't.
Yeah.
This shit clutch. The watch.
And I can text you. I don't know. At that moment, I wasn't thinking about texting you. Actually, just went ahead. And then I didn't even really realize it until I got like a month later when I started to wrap it. I was like, oh damn, I wonder which one she got.
Oh, well, you think with the that means 42 millimeter means that the band is gonna be too big for my little arm?
Oh, I don't know.
Is that what that means?
I honestly didn't realize it came with the band. I really was getting it for the charger.
You know somebody with you got a 42? Y'all, this is cute. This is a rose gold band too.
And that was the only one they had. I'm not trying to make you like rose gold like me.
Look at that. Isn't that pretty? And then I love this little stand, baby, because my little watch be all over the place on my nightstand.
That's actually what that was the whole. I didn't realize it came with the other stuff.
This bitch clutch too, y'all. Yep. Go on and hook up my little nightstand, even though it be a mess all the time. Let's try on the watch band and see what it's gonna do.
Let me see it. I can't see it.
What you gonna see?
The stand.
The stand? So you basically, you plug it up and put the cord through here and it holds the little circle thing for
Why
you.
didn't I get myself one?
You say that about the other thing too. She tried to keep my makeup wipes the other day. She's like, she's like, I almost kept them, girl. You just don't know.
If y'all never had Clinique take the day off, try it. Watch your life change.
She was like, I ain't even want to get to you, sis. I ain't even gonna lie. Okay, let's put this watch band on and see. Oh, yeah.
It's too long.
It's too long for like the sides.
What do you have, 38?
Yeah.
Okay.
So, you know anybody with 32? Or 42?
I mean, I guess I'll ask Crystal if her birthday tomorrow.
She got a 42?
Oh, no. We'll find out. Just make sure that charger works, because that's the most important part.
Oh, it's not a charger. What it does is, you know the thing that your Apple Watch charges with the little cord? It just sticks inside of here.
The charger sticks in there.
Yes.
It sit on top.
Yeah.
You have to take the band off. Got it.
Yes.
Oh, that's super clutch.
Yes. That was worth the whole package, bam.
That's the only reason I bought it was because of that. I didn't realize it came with a band until, like I said, a month later.
So that's what I got. I got the Apple Watch band holder, but of course the other things don't fit, but that's perfectly fine because this shit right here is all I need in my life. Okay, so that's 25 days of Christmas, day 10. See y'all later.